Calabar.
You're hosting.
Yes,
Pressure,
we
right?
are.
Your thoughts about how you did today?
Well, today we got the chance to experience something new. We've been performing here and there, but we thought it would be nice to get involved in a new competition, see what it's like, and to be a part of the St. Mary High School, who is here, as well as Dintil, they're the best so far. But we're here learning their ways, listening, observing them, and definitely coming better next week or the next season that will come next round.
In second place, St. Mary High.
You're defending champions, so clearly a lot of expectations are on your shoulders, right? And how has that pressure been?
That pressure has been a lot because people are expecting big things from the reigning champions. So we put in the work, we practice, we were there all night last night practicing, so you know that we really want to retain that title.
So that leaves for first place, Dintil High.
They did excellent, right? It was a lot of work, a whole heap of rehearsal, a lot of sacrifice, and today they made me really proud, right? So from here on, for the rest of the company, it's just more work, extra work.
Was there anything specific that stood out for you where they did really well today?
Just the balance between the keyboard players, the musicians. The balance was good. Nobody was overplaying or trying to get too excited, adrenaline, and but the balance was perfect for me.
And how about your singers?
The singers, superb, man. Them can sing.
A big bump, two of the schools couldn't make it, Papine High School and Enid Bennett. We were expecting great things from them, but nonetheless the three that showed up here today did an amazing job. We can see that they rehearsed, we can see the preparation that they are putting, so of course very good on their part.
And you're looking forward, of course, to the rest of the season. Where next?
Next week, Thursday, we are in Mandeville at Bel-Air High School. We're going to have 5 schools: Herbert Morrison Technical, Cornwall College, Newcomer Alphonsus Davis, formerly Spalding High, and of course Bel-Air and Lennon High.
And then after that?
After that, we're at Edna Manley College on the 7th of April with the quarterfinal and semi-final round. Again, another big date, because of course they're expected to perform from the foundation rules, which is ska, mentor, rock steady, reggae, dancehall. So crazy.